Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in the background there, I got my little Kopis Mini and my goggles and my controller. And that thing's all working and I've gotten kind of good at flying it. So I thought I would do an official first FPV video. I don't know if you can see, but I got my GoPro Hero 7 Black on the Kopis. It's gonna be the first time I flew it with a GoPro on it, so hopefully it don't affect me too bad. I'm gonna go over here to this little park where I've flown before, where there's no trees or nothing. It's just kind of grass. It's great for learning, because if you crash into the grass instead of into stuff. So I was gonna go over there and just do a little video for you guys and see how good we can fly this thing and what kind of footage we can get. So let's go check it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you at the end of the video. All right guys, here we are at this little grassy field park. There's very little concrete and very little stuff to run into. It's mostly grass. I got the Kopis Mini with the GoPro 7 on it, and I'm all set up and ready to go. So I'm gonna set you down here and we're gonna take off, and as soon as I take off, I'm gonna put you on the GoPro footage on the drone.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. He kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. You've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, stop looking for the answer and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the FPV video. I still wearing my goggles. Those little batteries, I went through 2 little batteries on that short flight. With that GoPro 7 on there, it kills those little batteries quick. So I might have to get some bigger batteries or try some of the other batteries that I have. I think I need to put a 4-cell battery on there with that GoPro, because with those little batteries with the GoPro on there, I was getting like 30-second or under a minute flight, and it would say low battery already. But I love that little drone. I'm gonna figure out how to make it to where I can get longer flights for you guys. That was really my best flight and the first time I flew with a GoPro on it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I'm a beginner, so that was an amazing experience and a great flight for me. I'm gonna get better though, guys. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna do something with Italian for RC video next, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys.